So there's a little progress right here as well. The walls are up. So now we just need to finish it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna paint this. So we need to like finish this so everything will be nice and smooth. And then the walk-in closet starts. Once everything is clean and nice, and the closet is all the way down here, so I can show you the picture of how I kind of have planned it out to be, but I'm not sure if I will keep it this way or if I'm gonna like change some of this inside right here and put in some more drawers and stuff. We will have to see, but so far so good. I'm excited. Then we've got everything up here for the kitchen, so all the doors are up. We have all the cabinets up here as well, and the handles are on. And then we have all these drawers, and I had shown you this before. So we just need to finish painting the bow right here, and this wall right here is going to be beige as well, which I have up there. It's going to be the same color. How you feel working for free? So nice. Shit. So now I have my new trims here. So nice. Everything's painted in beige. The doors are up. Then it is finally painted around here. The walk-in closet process starts. Woo! Just went to IKEA to buy some more things for the walk-in closet, and I also bought the baby crib today, just this one that I will have in my bedroom. I will also have one in the nursery, a bigger one, so I got that. And I also got a tiny mattress. It's so cute. So far here is the walk-in closet. It turned out really nice. So now I will just put in all the other stuff, and then I will show you how it turned out. But I'm gonna paint in here this wall, and I'm not sure what I will have here, if I will have some storage for all my jewelry or anything like that. I will see once all these drawers are in. So the kitchen has gotten all the tiles. Still, I need to put in the electrical stuff. Then I'm gonna have some shelves right here, so I think it will look so nice. And a little shelf under there as well. So I just need to place my washing machine in there. We had some trouble. And then the fridge is up as well, so this needs to be cleaned. As you can see, we need to take off all the plastic. So you have this little door for drinks, and then you have this big door for all the foods and stuff. It's gonna be nice. Hey guys, so it is Thursday and I'm now on my way to the apartment. Everything is almost finished except the bathroom, so I will go now finish off painting the entry hallway walls, the bedroom, and also the nursery. And once that's done, I will have my grandmother to clean everything and we will start to move a little things over, so that will be fun. So a little update, this bedroom is now done. I just finished painting the walls white right here. I also painted the entry hall into the walk-in closet and also the walk-in closet as well. So now I have installed the lamps. This my dad is gonna fix once he gets home from Cuba. But other than that, the walk-in closet is done, and this little shelf is a glass shelf like this one, which will go here, and then I will have this one up here. So I will finish off this today, and then I will start to bring out my clothes and stuff tomorrow. So that is an update from the bedroom so far. The sofa came, which I'm so excited about. It looks so good, love it. Then I got this table as well. I would do a home tour once everything is furnished, so you won't miss out where everything's from. And then I will bring over my dining table and chairs like later today or tomorrow. And the kitchen is done, the fridge is cleaned and it's on. So now I just need to go and buy some things to have in it. This little guy right here, which you can just click on and it turns on the kitchen light right here. I really loved it. You can also dim down the lights and dim them up as well. So nice. So I had my dad to install these shelves, which is actually like frame shelves or something from IKEA, so you can have pictures on them. But I'm gonna have like my herbs and stuff like in these pots right here, and then I'm gonna have some spices. So then we also have this cute ventilation or fan. The countertop turned out so well. I'm in love with this kitchen. So I will start to furnish and put like all my glasses and stuff into the kitchen this weekend as well, so everything will be set and organized. And yeah, there's just some bits and pieces that needs to be fixed, like I need to buy another light bulb there to the lamp because my dad broke it. He knocked his head while he was building the kitchen. Hola and happy Saturday. So I'm now at the house. So I thought I'd show you a little sneak peek. I will of course do a house tour, so I won't show you everything, but I will just show you a little bit of what I've been doing today. So we have the kitchen table have gotten here, and the chairs as well. I love these chairs, and I think the chandelier is going so well with the whole setup as well. Absolutely love how this turned out. The only thing now is that this area right here looks very empty, so I will fix that. Right now I am putting things into the cabinets on the kitchen. I think these shelves turned out so great because I have my vegan cookbook right there. We have some spices, and then I will also have some herbs and stuff on that shelves as well. Then here I have all my coffee mugs so far. We have this situation going on here. So far so good. Love how it all turned out. I will have my forks and knives here and stuff. And then I have some more things to wash and organize. And then it's just a whole other mess. And the nursery is finally coming together. That will be a separate video, so be sure to stay tuned. So there's a lot of exciting things going on in the nursery. I'm also hand painting the walls because I got so inspired. I suddenly got an idea of something to do. I really want to do something special, so I'm therefore hand painting one wall. Current bedroom situation right here. So everything is painted, everything is great. There's the baby crib, which I'm gonna have in that corner right there. But yeah, I still have a lot of clothes on the floor, shoes on the floor, but it's starting to become something in here. Then I also got installed this one for all my long clothing right here. I don't have a lot, so that is perfect. So here I will have all my shirts, I think. In here I will have t-shirts and pants and stuff. Decided to have this displayed here. Here we have some shoes and jewelry. I'm not totally done with this, but I absolutely loved how it turned out. And I will have more sunglasses here and stuff. And I'm also loving these for all my like headband and headpieces and stuff. But here you can see, these ones are new actually at IKEA. I actually loved how it turned out because you can store so much stuff. But you will see everything in my closet tour. So far so good. So once everything is furnished and I'm satisfied with everything, I will do a home tour. I will do an own closet tour. I will do a nursery tour. Maybe a kitchen tour if you guys want to snoop into my cabinets and stuff. And also a beauty room tour. So that is gonna be like separate videos once everything is done. And the house tour will be probably the first video out, if not the beauty room tour, since the beauty room is almost done. I still just need to decorate a little bit in the shelves. But yes, bye. So today it is Tuesday, so I think this will be the last update for this vlog. And then the next update you will see would be when the bathroom is finished, everything's finished. So maybe that will be the house tour. So the kitchen is looking like this so far. So I have some food here. And I think I've shown you this, like I have like the glasses and stuff in the cabinets. And the kitchen table is filled with stuff that is going into the dishwasher. I've gotten so much cute stuff. And then I also wanted to show you this because this is my favorite part of the kitchen. I only got this fridge because of this feature. So we have like my favorite soda up there. We have some Snapple, Coke, sparkling water, which is my favorite. This is so good. We have some organic cola, Red Bull, and some vegan coffee as well. Love, love, love. I will put the before right here. And then you can see like how it's looking now. It is a drastic change. And I'm so happy with it. But everything will be in the house tour as I've said in the living room so far. So the only thing that's not ready is the bathroom. So here you can see the bathroom so far. There's not like a lot that happened. I've gotten the lights installed. There will still be one that is missing. And the sink is pretty much placed where it's going to be. And yeah, the toilet and stuff is going in, and then he's gonna redo the tiles on the floor and on the walls as well. So this will be like in the next vlog, you will see. It's just this missing. So once this is done, I will move in. And then we have this thing going on here in the hallway so far. And I already showed you like this in the last day I was here. So this is how everything is looking right now. The bed is of course going here. I'm gonna have a mirror here and a lot of cute stuff on the wall. Then we have the walk-in closets, which you saw yesterday. So that is pretty much this vlog, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. So be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And let me know what your favorite change of the house was so far. And if you want me to do like an updated house vlog before the official house tour, let me know if you want to see that, like how the bathroom is going and me like decorating the different rooms here, and watch me like place stuff in the kitchen and stuff. Let me know if you want to see that. And yes, don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't, and ring the bell so you will never miss out of any future videos. And I will see you in the next vlog. Bye guys!